All right, here's one issue that I don't like. This is, moves around over time, and it'd be nice if it was always straight and in the correct spot. So now I'm gonna fix it. All right, so here's my improvement. I just drilled in some tiny little bolts into there, and you have to make sure that they're slightly stretching the rubber mat so that it's held in place. So now this thing's always going to be in the correct position. It's not going to move around. And I also hot glued this mat right here so that when we're vacuuming or kind of lightly leaf blowing in here, this thing won't lift up and it stays in place exactly where it needs to be. So when we are in the shop, it can get really it's really wet and dirty and messy around here. So we have a nice 3-stage process. If our shoes are dirty, we can go like this, go onto the floor mat here, and then again to this mat, and this will help prevent from dragging too much mud and dirt into the shop and keep it a little bit cleaner over the year.